hiked and we fished, we hiked and we fished. And we're through. We're gonna hit it. We're gonna hit it before dark. I hear something in the bushes. It's a dad. What's he doing? He's ready to go to his campground. Got himself a new pair of shoes. Not bad. Some nice new wading cleats. Well, Deschutes River, good night. I enjoyed it again. Bet you didn't give me a fish. Jerk. Watch that equilibrium.